How to assemble our Clix series full-motion single-monitor desk mount with gas spring arm. Open the clamp wider than the thickness of the desk. Place the clamp over the protector pad in the desired location. The clamp is pre-configured to fit desks 1/5 to 2.5 inches thick for desks with a thickness of 1.77 to 4.13 inches. Remove the 4 bolts on the back of the clamp to separate the lower L plate. Then reinstall it on the lower set of 4 holes. Place the clamp over the protector pad in the desired location and tighten the knob until it is firmly clamped to the desk. For grommet mounting, lower the clamp to the lowest position. Remove the 4 bolts from the back of the clamp to separate the lower L plate, then remove the 4 upper bolts to separate the upper L plate. Remove the bolt and washer holding the clamping plate to the end of the hand knob. Unscrew the hand knob from the clamp base. Place the clamping plate on top of the hand knob. Place the protector pad over the grommet hole and place the pole over the top. Insert the hand knob from the underside and tighten the knob until it is firmly clamped to the desk. Place the arm collar over the pole and tighten it in place at a suitable height. Place the first arm segment over the pole until it rests on the collar. Attach the gas spring arm segment onto the end of the first arm. Ensure the arm is connected correctly and the black tab is fully engaged by listening for the click. If desired, tightening the set screws at each joint will limit or prevent the rotation. Do not attempt to straighten the visa head until it is connected to the monitor and the arm. Connect the visa head to the monitor using the 4 provided bolts, then tighten until secure. Place the visa bracket on the end of the mount arm. Loosen the bolt on the side of the visa bracket as shown. Hold the edges of the screen and tilt the monitor forward until the screen is facing forward. If necessary, adjust the gas spring tension to balance your monitor. Position the monitor horizontally. If it drops, increase tension. If it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt and use the provided hex wrench. Rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier monitors, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. Adjust the monitor tilt using the side bolt. If the monitor droops or won't hold its angle, tighten the bolt. To prevent rotation, partially or fully tighten the set screw on the back. Route any cables through the cable management system on the arms and along the pole.